Welcome to this quick tutorial on connecting your Servis Software account to Xero. In just a few easy steps, you'll be able to integrate your accounting seamlessly. Let's get started. First, log on to your Servis Software account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on the left-hand side and select Integrations from the drop-down option. On the Integrations page, you'll see a list of available integrations. Find and click on Xero. Click the Connect to Xero button. This will redirect you to Xero's login page. Log into your Xero account with your credentials. Once logged in, Xero will ask you to authorize access to Servis Software. Click Allow Access. You'll be redirected to Servis Software where you can configure the integration settings. Select the appropriate organization and settings as needed. Your Servis Software account is now connected to Xero. And that's it. You've successfully connected Servis Software to Xero. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.